Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use Vantage Markets. On Vantage, it's basically a Forex broker. You can trade Forex, crypto, shares, indices, metals, energy, and ETFs. I've been using Vantage for a number of years now. It is my favorite broker. I'm trading on there every single day. And so are the people in my Telegram channel. Now, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm purely going to be doing a tutorial on the broker that I use. And if you want to copy, if you want to follow, if you want to sign up, that's completely up to you. There is a link just underneath the video. If you do use that link to sign up to Vantage, you will get 150% deposit bonus. You don't need to use that link, but you'll get a big bonus if you do use that link. And yeah, let's get started into the video. Obviously, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I basically do like Forex education, trading, market updates, etc., etc. So if you are in the space or you're looking to get into the space, definitely subscribe to the channel for future updates and future videos. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so step one, first thing that you're going to need to do, and this is the same with every broker and every exchange, you have to do KYC when you first sign up. It's just basically your documents. Takes 2 to 3 minutes, like passport, proof of address, simple things like this. And then once you've signed up and you've got your account, you'll see at the top here, you'll see Vantage, home, accounts, funds, trade. We're going to go over trade in a second, copy trade, webinar, and promotions. Okay, home is basically this screen that we're on now. Accounts will just show your live accounts and also demo accounts. Funds is basically where you can deposit, withdraw, and manage the money side of things. And then trade is where we can go to open a trade. Now on this page here, you'll see we've got our Forex pairs, we have crypto, we have shares, indices, metals. Okay, so now we're on the trade page, and let's use an example. Let's say we want to trade Euro USD. You're going to go to this search bar here. You're going to put EUR USD, and you're going to have Euro USD there. Yeah. And now you're going to click that. That's already in the watch list, but you can basically put in other pairs. You can put them in the watch list, so it's fairly easy to get to. And then you've got the chart here. Now you've got the different time frames. You've got 5 minute, 30 minute, 4 hour, 1 day, etc. You've got indicators there as well. Well, sorry, candlesticks and stuff. And you've also got indicators somewhere here. Yeah, indicators there. And you've got all the little toolbar and stuff there. Now, basically to open a trade, if we go over here, if you're going to sell, you're going to click sell there. If you're going to buy, you're going to click buy there. You also have market. Now, basically a market order is I want to buy and I want to buy right now. And then a market order for a sell is I want to sell and I want to sell right now. Yeah. Now, limit order, say if we are up here, for example, okay, and I want to do a limit order thinking we're going to go up, but I think we're going to have a bit of a fall first. We're going to have a small correction. Yeah. I'm going to put a limit order, say down here to buy. All right. So I'm not going to do a market execution there. I'm going to do a limit order here, and then once it falls down here, it will tap me in, and then I'll go into profit once it goes up here. That's basically limit order, and the reverse, obviously, for a sell. Now, stop order is basically the opposite from kind of a limit order. If you're higher and you think you're going to go lower, then you're going to do a stop order. I usually do either market or limit, to be honest. And then you've got your lot sizes here. I'm going to do another video on, I've done like a YouTube short on lot sizes and risk management, but I'm going to do like a long form video as well, because it's not only about getting the trades right or having good technical analysis or understanding kind of, okay, it might go up or down. You want to make sure your risk management is good, because if you go say you win like 10 trades and your risk management isn't good, and then you do another trade, so you're on 11 trades, you lose that one trade, you wipe out all of your profit if your risk management isn't good. So just for example, say if I want to do volume 0.5 lots or 0.2 lots, or 0.1 lots, and you can basically put your lot size in there. So say if I want to sell, I'll click sell there. The lot size is 0.3, for example. 1 second, 0.3, there we go. And then this will usually be unticked, but you'll just tick that. So you've got your stop loss and take profit here. You'll just type in the number there for take profit, and you'll put the number for the stop loss. And this is to basically sell. If you want to buy, you'll click buy. You'll do the same thing. So the first thing you want to check is, are we doing a market order or limit order or stop? We're doing a market order, fine. Then go down to the the lot sizes, put in the lot sizes, then you want to put your take profit, your stop loss, and then you click buy. Now, when you click buy, that will basically put you into the trade, so you're actively in the trade. And then what you'll do is that will pop up down here. You've got positions, pending orders, position history, and funding history. So once you do open the trade, that will then pop up along the bottom, and then you'll be able to see if you're in profit or if you're in a loss. You can also open a trade. You've got this here. I don't really use this, but you can do a quick sell or quick buy, and then you just edit the lots here. You'll click sell, it will do a market execution. You'll click buy, it will do a market execution. Just make sure that you've got the lots there. If you don't want that there, it's kind of standard on Vantage. Just click the exit button, and then it won't be there. And then this is the same for every pair. So say if we do XAU USD, which is basically gold, you've also actually got on Vantage now, you've got gold 24/7. If you're trading gold during the week, you just want to go on the standard XAU USD. If you're at the weekend and you're trading gold, I don't really recommend trading over the weekend, but if you want to do it, it's an option. You go on XAU USD 247. And as you can see here, and this is open 24/7, 7 days a week, basically. And you can now trade gold over the weekends as well. And again, you've got sell, buy, market order limit, stop, lot size there, stop loss, and take profit. So it's pretty simple opening a trade, and that's basically how you do it. Now, what a lot of people do is they trade on what you'll call a MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account. So when you sign up to Vantage, you'll get an automated email with your login details to MT4 or MT5. Now, it's really personal preference. You can either trade on the Vantage app or on the Vantage desktop, or you can basically connect your MT4 or MT5 account and you can trade on that. It just really comes down to personal preference. A lot of people prefer just trading on the MT4 and MT5 account because you can have multiple servers on there. If you are using other brokers and stuff, you can have it all in one place. Very quick, very easy to use. And yeah, it just really comes down to personal preference, to be honest. I'll do another video on the MT4 and MT5 as well, and I'll link it to this video. What I typically do though, and I'm just going to go through quickly the process of how I do things. So I've just pulled up TradingView, so I've got a TradingView account as well. Now, what I use is I use TradingView for my technical analysis, whether I want to buy or sell. When I come in the morning, I'll look at the daily chart, I'll look at direction for the day. Then I'll drop down to the 4-hour chart. I'll look at kind of where we're at on the 4-hour chart. Then I'll drop down to the hourly chart. And then I will typically drop down to the 15 or 30 minute for an entry for that day. Now, once I've worked out, okay, fine, I think we're currently on gold at the moment. XAU USD is gold. If I think, okay, fine, we're going to go up, I'll look at where I want to enter, where I want to have my stop loss, where I want to have my take profit levels. And then I'll go over to the app. And then that's where you'll basically put buy, market, how many lots I want to do, stop loss, and take profit. So the process is basically TradingView for technical analysis, looking at what direction I think the market's going to go in and what I'm going to trade for the day. Then I'll go over to Vantage or MT4 or MT5, and that's where I'll actually open the trade. Okay, guys, so I think I've covered basically everything from start to finish on like opening a trade, obviously, and how to use Vantage. I've been in the space for like 7.5, coming up to 8 years. So sometimes I do overlook certain things. If there is something that I have forgotten or something you're not sure on, just drop a comment below. I'm more than happy to do another video on it. Or you can drop me a message on Telegram or something. You can also join my public Telegram channel where I post everything in there as well. And like market, like trades, technical analysis, daily market updates, bits like that. So if you do need any help, just message on Telegram, join the channel, or drop a comment below. More than happy to do another video. Remember, if you do use the link in the video description, you get 150% deposit bonus when signing up to Vantage as well. Both the links for the Telegram channel is below, and also the Vantage link is below. And yeah, I'm going to do another video on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and I'll do one on TradingView as well. Anything that you can think of that you want me to do extra, just pop it in the comments. More than happy to do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.